Let's say that we need to make a mouthpiece, something that you might find on a brass instrument. Well, in TinkerCAD, I guess the best way to do it would be to bring a shape that looks similar. Make sure you have your dimensions correctly. Then start manipulating the shape and the holes in order to create something. So if I just copy and paste this one and make it slightly smaller, remembering to use all your view cubes, and then align the two shapes and subtract the inside from the outside. The next operation is to create the hole, and for this we drag another shape. This one's a cylinder, and again, after aligning it, we're going to subtract that cylinder from the mouthpiece body. After this operation, I'll create a tube and combine that with the mouthpiece so that the mouthpiece can actually fit into the tube of an instrument that I've designed. So I've managed to make some sort of mouthpiece with this one. It's a little bit sharp, and I'm sure I can round those edges off. But it's going to take a while, and I'm basically making out of blocks and joining them together.